Ntare School esinyira ekikopo ky'empaka za rugby y'abazaana omushanju ahabwa amashomero g'ekyanga kya Ankole bwanyuma y'okusinga ey'Ambarra High School na goora 21 hari mushanju omu finals ezizaanirwa aha kishaayi kya Ntare Kakyeka Nyamwebazyo.
Nice one.
Okuhika omu finals Ntare esingire St Kagwa abarikwetaba omuzaano gw'omurundi gwa kabiri na goora 37 hari busha kandi Ambarra High School nayo esingire St Kagwa na goora 39 hari 12 okuhika omu finals.
Kusinga okuntu kumanyisa ekintu ky'amaani ahari itwe tukongeramu amaani kugira ngu twaze omu fiesta games tuzaane tureete ekikopo side ya Western.
Actually, since we have lost, we feel bad, but we still have a chance because we shall still improve. That's what I think. That's what I believe in.
Timu zombi zina amani na mbwenu kugira ngu hati twabasa kuruzinga final egit twatwara ekikopo konganya n'amazikongu twakuyongera kwetebekanisa kugira ngu twahika soroti aha national twabase gukora gye munonga na cyabasika kusinga ekikopo kya national.
Ntare School hamwe na Ambarra High School zirabiroho kujwekera Ankole mu za Uganda yona eziri kuza kuba mu kwezi kw'okwije mu district ya Soroti kandi na St Kagwe kino mugisha gwo kujwekera nka timu ya Kashatu. Ebyo bikiri yaho timu y'ishomero ya Ijumo Progressive Secondary School hamwe n'eya Shuku Vocational Secondary School basingire empaka za Kyambogo University Sports Gala Cup ezibire zitebekanisa itendekero ya Kyambogo University Bushenyi Campus.
Yeza bakibukuye kipa yavuddire n'agamba twamweta mpaka munda. What a lovely finish.
Empaka ezizaanirwa mu kishaayi kya Bushenyi Stadium ahijumetire Lyonza Secondary School na goore mu harubusha okusingeza bojo rero Shuku Vocational ekateera Ntare High School na goore mu harubusha okuhanguriza bisiki kandi buri timu ehirwe nte.
Shuku Vocational.
Ntwenda mnonga kwegesa abaana. You grow holistically in sports. We will take you to church. We will do counseling on you if you're struggling. And at the end of the day, you will graduate when you are very ready to face the world.
And also be disciplined. If you're not disciplined, your future will be difficult. So I want you to embrace discipline as you go forward. And that way you'll be useful to yourselves and you'll be useful citizens.
Emizano egyo biregenderire okutungura entaranti z'abeegi omu mashomero ga siniya okurwa omu kyanga kya Bushenyi.